Oh yeah, we built a tar changer. I'm just saying, the valve stem done gone. We'll break her down. Shop-built-tools. Let's get to welding. Was a metric problem I had. Right in there is the book with the answers in there. Just saying. Here in Middle Tennessee, the geographical center of something. Shop dogs. And while that paint's drying over there on that there circus wagon, went on ahead and knocked that there tar changer apparatus out. That's 1.5 inch schedule 40 pipe. 1/4 inch circle there with a bolt pattern. 1/4 inch base. I welded it up there with that. It's in Vulcan rods, you know. Give away at Harbor Freight. I kind of like them. They're kind of soft. They worked okay. But 3/32, 7018 on the grade there. I think I got it on DC setting over there. There is a range of amps welded up with that little DC plus there and at 75 on the amps and get the job done. Well, you know, that's where it's going to be right there. I'll bend up a piece of sheet metal. That's that part that goes through the housing down there. But I'll bend up a piece of sheet steel right there. It's a little bit thinner than the handle is. Riveted on there with some linkage and a snap hook. Let's get that done. Well, the project is to get this, that's a 3 horsepower crankshaft and flywheel assembly, governor and all. I need to press that crankshaft out of that flywheel. So I'll have to get over there in that press. Let's get that done too. I hear a Harley over on the back road there. You can tell a Harley. Oh yeah. Yeah, we'll make some John Deere parts. You know, if you own John Deere, you probably need this little thing here. Pivot arm inside your thing down there. The housing on the side of the block casted in there with it's a pivot pin on your governor latch out arm right there. Mechanism part up in 2 contacts. It's come to a rise, a need for one of them. So, you know, let's knock out about 6 of them. Yeah, it's already past quitting time, but Like we'll try to have them ready for morning. You know, around noon tomorrow, we'll try to have them ready for pickup. Oh yeah, it's raining outside. I have wet paint on this circus wagon. So, but I need to. It's past quitting time, and a project come in, a need for a part for a John Deere. So we'll get back on this tomorrow. But the project at hand is that's that pivot arm. That's that pivot arm. Old John Deere, go right there in that housing there. That there's wore really bad. Most of them are. Just saying. But we're gonna make some of them. So you put the micrometer on it, see what size you need. And I laid in some metal one time. Oh yeah. Okay, that's 436. Exactly. That's 436. Okay. This is 8620 steel, so it would be, it's really, really good metal for the project at hand. But to confirm it, we'll put this on here. Yeah, 436 and a half. And the original one is the right there where they've been used. Is 436 and a half. So, yeah, we'll go ahead and knock this order out. And basically cut the length. Well, yeah, it's more than 6 inches long. And we'll cut them off right there to the length. So, you know, to get serious about the project, okay, them things is 6 3/16 inches long. Make a note of that. Okay, if y'all was observing what I was doing, I put a marker at 6 1/4 inches, and I'm going to saw these off, and then I'll face them off in the lathe to the correct length. Five more. I have 5 blanks there. Let's face them to length. Okay. Saw cut ends. Now is where you get serious with your measurements. Let's see what we got. Okay. See, I just need to face that off about 1/16 of an inch. Now is when, You know, how you going to mark that thing right there to cut it off to length? You know what I mean? Now one more there, we'll get that and cut to length. I done got a marker on there as to the size. I will check that for length. We done with this job. I went on ahead and knocked them out after, let's say after hours. Knocked them 5 pivot pins for that John Deere Model E, I think it is, 1.5 on the horsepower. This goes in there where the governor's at. You can see the one here in the foreground worn quite badly. That's at that 8620 there I done made them out of. Should wear very well. I have them here in Middle Tennessee, the Geographical Center or something. Shop dogs. I'll leave a comment. Subscribe if you want to. Pass it on to a friend.